And as a scientist, innovation is just in our blood. We want to create something new. We want to create something that have never been tested, has never been explored, so we can bring breakthrough to treat our patients.
It is important for us to accelerate our discovery efforts to develop new drugs as early as possible.
The responsibility for science was to research and develop better drugs to cure the patients, the diseases like cancer.
We have the knowledge, we have the tools. For our Janssen Discovery Center, we're based in Janssen site. We have both the biology team and the chemistry team. So our job is to discover new drugs, especially in the area of oncology, to help the patients.
Cancer, is a hard to treat disease. For lymphoma, just like population of patients have no good second-line drugs. So that's why we are trying to identify the most powerful, most safe drugs for our patients.
We have a lot of questions to address, like from biochemical inhibition to targeted protein degradation to cell killing. It's a long road, but we think we have methods to cope with those questions.
We're thinking, how do we break through? How do we make a change to this, traditional method? We have been working on this target for a couple of years. We use the traditional small molecule inhibitor. Those molecules we have identified showed very limited efficacy.
Innovation means you're doing something really differently, so it's more challenging than the routine work.
At this time, there's a technology called PROTAC technology was arrived into our horizon.
PROTAC is an emerging technology which is very different from old technology. Compared with traditional discovery, and we use a new technology called protein degradation. We can target to the protein which is very bad for patients. We can degrade that and then we can cure the disease. This is a totally new concept.
We can use PROTAC to fully degrade the protein, which can be used to cure diseases like cancer, which can be, beneficial for patients.
I remember that day when I see the Western blot that it showed the protein degradation. We were so excited that we almost jumped, to the air.
Within Janssen, I can say we're the first that can really achieve the degradation of the protein.
Looking forward for the development of this technology.
Innovation is the life of the company.
Innovation is the key for drug discovery. Without innovation, there's no progress.
To be innovative, you need to be open-minded.
With credo in our mind, innovation is very natural. Like our founder of Janssen, Paul Janssen, said before, patients are waiting.
As a scientist, always challenge yourself to venture to something unknown. Just have the curiosity. I believe everyone is the innovator. As long as you drive to realize at the innovation side of yourself for the company, any role, any level, you can always be the innovator.